Number 1.
1992 Chevrolet 2500, price $5,500. This truck is a long bed, two-wheel drive pickup equipped with the legendary and reliable 454 V8 engine. With only 130,000 original miles on the odometer, it runs and drives exceptionally well. The motor is strong, and the automatic transmission shifts smoothly, making it a dependable choice for both daily use and heavy-duty tasks. Finished in a tan exterior with a brown interior, the truck features power windows and door locks, along with a set of good tires all around.
Its current registration tags are valid until next year, adding to its convenience.
Thanks to its durable build and powerful engine, the Chevrolet 2500 is capable of towing nearly anything placed behind it, offering both strength and reliability in one package.
Number 2.
1992 Ford F-250, price $6,750. It has 108,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a strong 7.5L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission.
It runs on gasoline and features rear-wheel drive.
Finished in a striking red exterior with a tan interior, the truck has been well kept and comes with a clean title, having had only 2 previous owners and no history of accidents. A Carfax report is available to confirm its background. The vehicle is equipped with Cooper tires in excellent condition, dual fuel tanks, trailer brake controls, and a CB radio. Convenience and comfort features include power seats, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, running boards, and both heating and air conditioning, with the heater blowing hot and the AC blowing cold. Entertainment is provided through a radio and cassette player, adding to its vintage charm.
Number 3.
1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,800, comes with 189,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in a striking red exterior with a gray interior, the truck is powered by a strong 5.7L V8 engine and runs on gasoline. It features a reliable 4x4 system that performs exactly as it should, along with power windows, power door locks, and both heating and air conditioning in good working order. What makes this truck stand out is its remarkable condition and history. It has only had one owner since new, with meticulous maintenance records spanning from 1994 to 2021, showcasing how well it has been cared for over the years. The truck has been elderly driven, runs and drives exceptionally well, and remains very solid, clean inside and out. It comes with a clean Oregon title in hand, with no issues whatsoever. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race.
Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts.
And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds.
Number 4.
1991 GMC Sierra 2500, price $4,495, powered by a dependable 5.7L V8 engine and paired with an automatic transmission. It delivers smooth performance and plenty of strength for everyday driving as well as heavier tasks. The truck has only 156,000 miles on it and has been cared for by just 3 previous owners, a testament to its longevity and reliability. Finished in a timeless gray exterior with a matching gray interior, it carries a consistent and understated look that reflects its practical design. As a two-wheel drive model, it offers a straightforward driving experience while still maintaining the power and capability expected from a Sierra 2500. Another highlight is its fifth-wheel hitch readiness, adding to its versatility and making it an excellent choice for towing or hauling needs.
Number 5.
1984 Chevrolet 2500, price $6,500. It has just 66,500 miles on the odometer and comes with an automatic transmission. Finished in a clean white exterior with a brown interior, it runs on gasoline and has been carefully maintained over the years. The truck features a newly installed dash pad and seat cover, with the original seat underneath still in excellent condition. A new fuel tank and sending unit have been fitted, while the brakes have been fully serviced for reliability. The steering remains tight, and a leveling kit has been added for improved stance and handling. It rides on modern heavy-duty wheels paired with strong tires, giving it a refreshed yet functional look. This two-wheel drive pickup is powered by a 350 engine that runs flawlessly, living up to Chevrolet's reputation for durability.
Number 6.
1971 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500, features a black exterior paired with a purple interior and an automatic transmission. Most functions, including lights, wipers, heater, radio, gauges, and windows, work properly, though the horn, windshield sprayer, and emergency brake are not functional. There is some rust on the driver's floor and rocker panels, but the truck remains solid and reliable. Powered by an SBC 350 engine with a T350 automatic transmission and Hurst shifter, it also includes a hitch with working trailer light hookup. The truck is fitted with new Felton seals on the windows, new door locks and ignition keys, and comes with a Bluetooth stereo, dual 6x9 speakers, and blue dot taillights. Collector plates, cherry bomb exhaust, and genuine centerline rims with Cooper tires complete its classic look and character. Number 7. 1984 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500, showing only 57,000 miles on the odometer. It has clearly been cared for over the years. The truck features an automatic transmission paired with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, making it smooth and dependable to drive. Its exterior comes in a bold yellow finish that stands out, while the interior is upholstered in a complementary brown, giving it an authentic vintage appeal. This Chevy runs and drives great, living up to the reputation of the brand's solid engineering. It operates on gasoline and retains much of its originality, including the factory-installed air conditioning system, which is currently not charged but remains intact. Notably, despite being over 4 decades old, the truck shows very little rust, which is rare for a vehicle of this age. Number 8. 1989 Chevrolet 2500, price $2,700. Both the exterior and interior are finished in burgundy, giving it a consistent, classic look. Powered by a strong 350 V8 engine, the truck runs exceptionally well with no mechanical issues, making it a reliable everyday driver. The 4x4 system works perfectly, ensuring solid performance in a variety of conditions. Although the paint is faded and oxidized, the body is solid with no dents or rust, a testament to its durability as an old work truck. Despite its weathered appearance, it continues to run excellent and is fitted with good, beefy tires that add to its road readiness. The truck has also been well maintained with several recent upgrades, including a new radiator, new fuel lines, a new battery, and new brakes with rotors. Number 9. 1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,500. This truck has approximately 260,000 miles on it and comes with an automatic transmission. Finished in black with a gray interior, it runs on gasoline and features a 5.7-liter engine paired with 4WD. The truck runs and drives well, with a smooth engine and a transmission that shifts effortlessly. Both the air conditioning and heater work properly, offering cold air and hot heat as needed. The 4WD system engages without issue, while the cruise control and radio function just as they should. With a clean title, this Chevy 1500 is a reliable pickup that has been well kept and remains ready for the road. Number 10. 1978 Ford F-250, price $6,200. This truck has 122,000 miles on it and runs on a 351M V8 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. Finished in gray on the exterior with a blue interior, it's a 2-wheel drive truck that runs on gasoline. The truck has proven to be a joy to own and drive, offering both reliability and character for its age. Mechanically, it is in very good condition. It shifts smoothly through all gears, the brakes work great, and all the lights, wipers, and windows function as they should. The doors and windows are tight with no leaks, and most of the gauges operate properly with the exception of the fuel gauge.